Hey YouTube, welcome again to my channel, the ultimate guide to ace your software interviews. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video. Let's start. We have a sum tree. Given the root of two binary trees, P and Q, write a function to check if they are the same or not. Two binary trees are considered the same if they are structurally identical and the nodes have the same value. So basically you have 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2. This is true. You have 1, 2, 1, 2. However, we have one, the structure is not right. Basically, they have the same value, but structure is not right. One of them has its left equals null, and the other one right. No, this is not right actually, because it has one right and it has one left. They are not right basically. This also is not right because 1 its right equals 2 and its left equals 2, and they are not equal to each other. Okay, so let's just see how we can solve this problem. Let's say 1 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. Okay, let's just put two identicals array. Okay, I'll put 1 2 3, and the other one will be 1 2 3. So how we can know both of them is identical. One of the things that we could recur the recursive function. This one will be also recursive. We will just take this. It will be good if we focus on recursive, because the previous video also was about recursive. So basically what we'll do, that we'll create a recursive function. Okay, maybe at start search and 1, and after that we go at when if this equals to this, if the values equals to each other. Okay, let's compare its left. Okay, and also let's compare its right also. And when both of them, when its left equals to each other and its 2 equals to each other, okay, let's continue to find another left and another 2, and when both of them equals null, that means both of them they will continue to equals to each other until both of them have no values. Let's just put, I guess this code will be way more easy to understand than the previous one. So it will be, first I'll say that if not B and not Q, return true. Again, we say again all the time when we record a recursive function, we think first about the base case. This base case, if we have no Q and we have no P, we return true. That means both of them are identical. Okay, and we will understand that with the code. If not Q or not P, let's call it Q, or not, if not P or not Q, return false. Basically, when we keep to go right left right left right left, and we found one of them has no value, or it's equal to null, that means both of them are not equal. So let's just say that if b.val doesn't equal q.val, return false. Also, this is quite straightforward. It's understand, if the value doesn't equal the value, we return false. So basically this we are testing the values, and this we are testing the actual structure, and return the same one, but we put the we put first, we thought first was left, b dot left and q dot left, and we do the same, but it will be the right and q dot right. What is going on? Why? Ah, sorry. Okay, let's see how this works. Actually, it beats only 21 because we can make an alternative. We can just loop and it will be a space complexity of O of 1, because what we are doing right now, it's a time complexity of O of n and also space complexity of O of n, but we use it like that because we want to train a lot of about recursion. So let's see basically what we are seeing there. First, we think about the base case. We say that if there is no p and there is no q, return true. Okay, if there is no p or there is no q, that means the structure is not the same, so we return false. And we think that p dot value, if p value doesn't equal q dot value, that means that values are not equal, so return false. And after that, we try to test. We compare the left side and we compare to the right side. Let's just put it here. So basically, let's just try to delete all of that. Okay, delete. Okay, so basically, let's just say that we have one, 2, 3, and we have 1, 2, 3. Wait a minute, I guess 1, 3, 2 because it's a binary. Sorry. Okay, let's continue like that. I guess it will be the same. Okay, so basically, first, what we do first we check, do we still have something here? If we have something, if we have value and we have also here value, we return true, otherwise we return false. But let's just say how we will do. First, we just check this one and this one. Let's say this is our current node, this is our current root right now. So we say that, okay, this value equals this value, raw, yes. Okay, so first let's compare the left side. Do this left side compares to this left side, yes. Okay, so compare the right side. Do this right side equals to this right side, yes. Okay, returns true. And actually that was it. Basically, it was quite a straightforward problem. I guess it was quite easy. And if you think my description was good, comment below and I will try to make another video about that. If you liked my solution, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will never miss a video. And that's it for today. See you in future problems.